So welcome everyone to welcome to Avanti sessions. I hope all are fine, quite well. So let's get started with today's session. In the last session we have done with trigonometry part 1. Remember? Today we will do compound and transformation formulas. Clear? So structure for the class always remains same. We will discuss weightage, homework discussion, topic which we need to be covered, then concept problem, then PYQs, then you guys will summarize the class, then at the end, DPP will be allotted in same PDF. Clear? So weightage was a bit clear to you how many questions will come, what is the weightage of actually trigonometry. If you think basically, if we look at the thing now, so it will be a chance that trigonometry will come to my paper or not. Getting my point? But trigonometry plays a very important role. Trigonometry plays a very important role. Where? In whole mathematics. Clear? Trigonometry plays a very important role in whole mathematics. Clear, dear friends?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was a homework allotted to you. If any doubt from this homework, then let me know. Any doubt from the homework?
Ma'am, I can't do the A6.
A6. Anyone else face difficulty? Harini, if you face difficulty in A6, na, just see what you can see in the A6. A6 just look like you can write it as sine alpha upon cos alpha, right? Plus cos alpha upon sine alpha, right, dear? That must be equals to A. It means A sine alpha cos alpha is equals to 1. Do you agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I need to find 10 raised to power 4 alpha plus cot raised to power 4 alpha, right, dear? What I can do? Can I write it as tan square alpha plus cot square alphas whole square minus 2 tan square alpha cot square alpha? Will it work? Yes or no? So tan square cot square is cancelled. Further, this can be rewrite as tan alpha plus cot alphas whole square minus 2 tan alpha cot alpha whole square minus 2. So this value is, what's the value of tan alpha plus cot alpha? That is 1. So a square minus 2, that's whole square minus 2. Then a raised to power 4 plus 4 minus 4a square minus 2. I guess you got the answer. A raised to power 4 minus 4a square plus 2. Any option is there? Option B is there. Clear?
Ma'am, I can't understand how it became minus 2 tan alpha cot alpha and minus 2 again.
Okay, see. In basics of 10th, when we were in 10th, we have quadratic equation. Have you ever gone through a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab minus 2ab basically. Have you ever seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing I have done. Because tan and cot are reciprocal of each other, na? They are cancelled.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else who is having doubt?
Ma'am, A4, can you explain?
A4. A cos theta plus B sin theta is 3. A sin theta minus B cos theta is 3. 4. I need to calculate the value of A square plus B square, right? This you want to do, na?
Yes, ma'am.
One hint is coming to my mind that if I scare this and add the both values, it will become a square cos square theta plus b square sine square theta plus 2ab cos theta sine theta, dear. In the same way, its square is added, then a square sine square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sine theta cos theta. That must be equals to 9 plus 16. Clear, Piasa? Yes. So this value is cancelled with this. Can you see a square is common? Sine square plus cos square is 1. B square is common. Sine square plus cos square is 1. So a square plus b square is equals to 25. Is clear? Okay. PSA is saying 15 and 16. Okay. Yes, Mr. J. Do you want to say something? I thought, Harini, you just left the class after asking the doubt. So PSA is saying 14 and 15, right, PSA? Hey, dear, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Piasa, when you're talking about 14th question, remember for change in trigonometric ratio, this 89 can be written as 90 minus 1.
No, ma'am, not 14, the 15 one.
Someone said na 14 and 15 in chat box.
Ma'am, 15 and 16, I said.
Okay. So for 15, how many of you remember from the basics of trigonometry that pi radian is 180 degree? It means 180 degree is pi radian. So 1 degree is equals to pi by 180. Or in another way, you can say 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi. So 180 divided by 3.14, it will give you 57 degree something, right? So sine 1 degree means it's talking about sine 57 degree, 1 radian means. So dear, 1 degree is less than 57 degree. So you take sine and both say sine 1 degree is less than sine 57 degree. It means it is less than sine 1 radian. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Option B is correct. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
Ma'am, the 16.
Okay. Sine of the product sine 2, sine 3, sine 5. What you can say? Sine 2, sine 3, sine 5. What it means? Anyone who attempted? Harini?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Anyone who is having for that? Dear, just listen carefully. Can you see 1 degrees, 1 radian is 57 degree? Remember? Remember, na? 1 radian is 57 degree. So 2 radian will be 114 degree and 3 radian will be approximately, we can say it's going to be 171 degree, right? So how many of you know that sine is positive in first and second quadrant? Just raise your hands. Okay, so it means sine 2 is positive, sine 3 is positive, but sine 5 means you're talking about 200 something, and in that quadrant, sine is negative. So 2 positive, positive, positive into negative. So it will give you a negative sign. Option 1. Clear? Anyone, any doubt, any issue now? Can we move ahead? So today's we are talking about compound angles and multiple angle formulas. Just have a look. We are having four formulas. Very first that we need to know, that already done by you in your basics of maths. That was sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So, cos A minus B cos A cos B. Anyone who face difficulty to memorize them? Pyasa. So Pyasa, let me tell you one shortcut how to memorize. When you're having sine and sine, when we have to apply sine formula, then one sine, one cos. If it contains positive, you will also put positive. When it contains negative, you will also put negative. When you are having cos, then both same are there. Cos, cos, sine, sine. But when positive is there, we will put negative. When negative is there, then we will put positive. Clear? Cross the signs. Yes, Gaurav. Then we are having the formula for tan A plus B. What was that? It's tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B, tan A minus. And remember, these two formulas are very much important. Whole trigonometry will revolve around these two formulas. I will try my best. I will make you learn minimize formula. Quote is not recommended from my side. I never recommend students to learn quote formulas. Clear? Never ever. So these six formulas are kept in your mind. A room is vacant for them. Okay. I think these batch students are little less talkative. They talk very less. So now we have to see how to implement. If I need to find sine 15 degree, I can do? I can do it in two methods. Either I will write it as sine 45 minus 30. Another is sine 60 minus 45. Any one method you can apply. Clear? Great, Jay. Formula can be implemented by you guys. Remember? Yes,
Yes,
Tanisha?
ma'am.
Okay. So how to implement tan 45? It will look like tan 45 minus tan 30 degree, dear bachcho. 30 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
one special case is there. As everyone learn that A plus B look like tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Remember? Right, Aaron? So what I'm expecting from you, I'm just saying that just put A is equals to 45 degree. So it will look like tan 45 plus B, and that must be equals to tan 45 plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan B. So what's the value of tan 45?
1.
1.
1. Great. So it's going to be 1 plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan B. So dear friends, Piyasa, Aryan, Jay, just look at the thing, Avni. Whenever I found that 1 plus tan B upon 1 minus tan B is there, it means 45 plus B is there. If opposite signs are there, 1 minus upon 1 plus, then I will must have 45 minus theta. Clear, bachcho?
Ma'am.
Harshal,
Yes, ma'am.
Krupansh.
Yes.
Okay. Just look at your chat box. Is any link is there? Mohisa, will you share the link? Okay. So let's have a look. One question, very one important. One part I will solve for you. Rest second part will be done by you at the home. So dear friends, when the question will look like this, cos theta plus sine theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta, what I need to do? Harini, what I need to focus? Just look at the Avni, whatever the denominator and the first term is there, just divide the whole term by this term. It means it will look like cos theta by cos theta, sine theta divided by cos theta. Is that clear to everyone? Divided by cos theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 plus tan theta, 1 minus tan. Dear, what I said now, whenever you find that there is a relation between cos and sine and same relation look like only change in sign. So what you need to do, you just take the denominator and very first term in the denominator divide whole expression by that. Make it 1. You need to make it 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever this formula PSA arises, what I need to write, J? It will look like tan 45 plus theta. Right, good
Yes, ma'am.
Mandan? Okay, great. So B part can be done by your side, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So now we have a next question, that is tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. How we will attempt this? You can either do it by left side or either by right side. But what I suggest, go it by right side, left side. Anyone knows approach for this?
Change tan into sine and cos.
Yeah, that's correct. That means change tan into sine and cos. Just start taking once. Just have a look. Then we will start. So proved. Everyone proved. Sagar, Shashank, Sulfikar, Vatsal, Ritik, Ritu, Pujitha. Dia, Devalt. Anyone need my help? Done? No? So distance, can you write it as sin x upon
Then
cos x? Sin y divided by cos y, right? In the same way, denominator can be look like sin x divided by cos x minus sin y divided by cos y. How many of you agree? So just take cos x cos y LCM. So you will get sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. And that must be divided by cos x cos y. How many of you agree? Great. So it means cos x cos y cancelled. Can anyone let me know the formula? Sin x cos y cos x sin y.
Sin
Sin
x
x
plus
plus
1.
1.
Okay. And downside?
Sin A
Sin
minus
x
B.
minus y.
Great. So if that is equals to your given right hand side. Clear to everyone? Okay, great. This is a very fantastic question because it needs a big brain to solve this question. Anyone having any idea? If these kinds of questions come na in our examination, we felt mathematics is quite difficult if you don't know the approach. Because many of you, if don't know the exact approach, correct approach, then you might take this question for the 2 pages, 3 pages, and it won't be solved. Anyone having any idea to solve this question? Yes. No. Pyasa, Harini, Jay, Sagar said no. Pyasa said no. So, my dear friends, how many of you have learned or ever thought of or hear about componendo and dividendo? JEE में नहीं आएंगे, but for the basic, we need to start from the basics only, na? Have you ever learned about componendo and dividendo?
Yes, ma'am.
These friends, whenever you see na in proof, they look like theta plus phi. Means my angles are once added, once subtracted. Another side, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. It means some relation is there between their coefficients also, right? Constant values also. So I can do that. It will be tan theta tan phi will look like 1 upon 3. Can I write it as tan theta upon cot phi is equals to 1 upon 3? Any doubt? If now I apply C and D, so it will be tan theta minus cot phi divided by tan theta minus plus cot. Let me take plus on denominator में minus cot phi. And it will be 1 plus 3, 1 minus 2. How many of you agree? Clear? Yes, dear. Now can I change it in sine and cos? So it will become, if I take the LCM, it will become sine square not sine square. It will be sine theta cos phi plus cos sine theta sine phi, right? Oh, पूरा ही रहेगा. See, you will have tan theta divided by cot phi that will be equals to 1 upon 3, right? If I apply componendo and dividendo, it will look like tan theta cot phi divided by tan theta, let me add, minus cot phi. And in the denominator, it will be 1 plus 3, 1 minus 3. Agreed here? So it will look like sine theta divided by cos theta minus cos phi plus cos phi divided by sine phi. Right, dear students? Divided by sine theta cos theta minus cos phi divided by sine phi. What say? Clear? If I need to take LCM, it will look like sine theta sine phi plus cos theta cos phi divided by cos theta sine phi. Are great J. J already done. Divided by sine theta cos sine phi minus cos theta cos phi divided by cos theta cos sine phi. Right, dear bachcho? Minus 2. So cos theta sine phi is cancelled. So numerator will look like cos theta minus phi and denominator will look like sine theta minus phi and minus will be common is equals to minus 2. Minus and minus cancelled, then you get the answer. Yes or no?
मैम डिनोमिनेटर में साइन है मैम कॉस होगा.
Yes. So it will be cos and angle will be theta plus phi. Clear?
Yes मैम.
Now it's clear to all.
Ma'am, can't understand the last step.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Harini, just see. When you look, you have cos A, cos B plus sine A, sine B. Then what's the formula for that? Is it cos A minus B?
Yes, ma'am.
When you're having minus over there, then you will have plus over there. So sine cos theta cos y plus sine theta sine phi. It means cos theta minus phi is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Then minus taken as common. Then cos theta cos phi minus sine theta sine phi. That will be theta plus phi. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question you are having that sin x cos by sin y is 1 upon 2, cos x by cos y is 3 upon 2. I'm just taking this, giving this question as homework. Will everyone apply it or implement the concept over home? Great. Next, when this type of question will arise, how to solve this question? Just look at when you have tan 3a and you have to split tan 3a, tan 2a minus tan a. So you can rewrite it as tan 2a plus a, dear bachcho. Hey guys, so formula for tan a plus b, it will look like tan 2a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan 2a tan a, right or not? That must be equals to tan 3a. So can be cross multiply? It means tan 2a plus tan a must be equals to tan 3a minus tan 3a tan 2a tan a. Agree or no? Can you see the answer? What was asked from your you? What was the question? It was the question to prove tan 3a tan 2a tan a will be equals to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. So Avni, will you get the answer? Yes, Jay. Everyone got the answer, Sagar, Ronak? Okay. So similar kind of two questions, I'm just giving you homework so that same concept can be implemented from you to get the answer. If not able to do, then we will discuss in the next class. Will it work? Great, wonderful. Now we have, after that 6 formulas, we are having another 8 formulas, and they are called transformation formula. Why they call transformation formula? It means from plus or minus 2 we will go to multiply, and from multiply to we will go to plus or minus. Can you see the formula? In this formula we are going from plus minus to multiply, and here from multiply to we are going to plus or minus. Clear? Okay. Pyasa, same funda is there. 2 sine is added, 1 sine, 1 cos. 2 cos is added, same will come. Either 2 cos, either 2 sine. It means when 2 sine is added, 1 sine, then cos. When sine is subtracted, first cos, then sine. When 2 cos are added, both are cos. When both cos are negative, then both are sine and minus will come outside. Clear? So Gaurav, same will come to the next multiplication to addition or subtraction. What was that, Ronak? 2 sine A cos B. It will become sine A plus B sine A. And it's very obvious. You know the formula of sine A plus B, sine A minus B. If you add both the formula, you will get 2 sine A cos B. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means today is a deal of 14 formulas. If these 14 formulas are kept in your mind and they will be learned to you, trigonometry will be quite easy. Can we move ahead? Any doubt till there? If anyone having any doubt, they can ask. Sulfikar, Shashank, Sagar, Ritu, Ritik, Mahadev, Krupansh, Vatsal. Okay. So very first formula. Can you see? Addition is given to me. A plus B by 2. When this type of formula will come given to find, I need to find or I need to prove na Harini. So a quick strike in my mind that let me convert this formula, this given expression to multiplication expression by the formula. So Piasa, when 2 cos will added, it will give me 2 cos. So it means it will look like 2 cos A plus B by 2. Cos A minus B by 2, and that must be equals to 1 by 2, right? In the same way, when 2 sine are added, then 2 sine A plus B upon 2 cos A minus B upon 2, and that must be equals to 1 by 4. Any doubt? Let's say equation is 1 and this equation is 2. So, dear students, what I need to do? Can I divide second equation by 1? Agree? So it will be 10 A plus B upon 2, and that is equals to 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2. It means 1 upon 2 is the answer. That I need to prove. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear to everyone? Great. Next question. Anyone wants to have a try on this? Should I give it 2 minutes for this to learn? Think about this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take your time.
मैम cos c plus cos d का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
किसका?
cos c plus cos d.
cos c plus cos d का, दोनों cos आते हैं. ग्रेट देवयुत. Attendance form is already floated. Must fill at the end of the session. Right? Done? Proved? Yes, dear students, proved? When this question come to in my mind, what I have seen, I will take either both odd or both even. So both even is looking alike, but odd is only one. So I will take both even together. It will become 2 sine 3x cos x minus sine 3x बच्चों divided by 2 cos 3x cos x minus cos 3x. Right, dear students? It means sine 3x is common, cos 3x is common. So you will get 2 cos x minus 1 divided by 2 cos x minus 1. So they are cancelled. It will be tan 3x. What do you say? Clear? Any doubt? Any confusion? Now another question. This question will take little time. Anyone having idea how to solve this question? Please unmute yourself and speak up. It's a request only if you unmute yourself.
Sin A minus B.
Which formula?
Ma'am, we have to multiply by 2 and
Yeah.
use the formula for.
Yeah. That's great. Wonderful. It means if I take sine 10 degrees, sine 50 degrees, sine 70 degree, that I need to prove. And there is no value where I can get 10 degree, 50 degree or 70 degree. So what I do, I just multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. Clear? So this value is A, this is B. So 1 upon 2 and it will be sine A plus B. Sine A plus B or cos? It must be cos, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Cos A minus B. So it means cos 40 degree minus cos 60 degree, dear बच्चों, into sine 70 degree बच्चा party. So 1 upon 2 sine 40 degree, sine 70 degree, it's cos, right? Minus cos 60 degree, cos 70. Any doubt till there? So 1 upon 2, again 2 multiply 2 divided. So it will be sine 40 degree, sine 70 degree, right? Cos 60 is 1 upon 2 into sine 70. Any doubt till there? Then let me know.
No, ma'am.
1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. And this formula is again same formula. Not same. It's cos 40, right? So 2 sine A cos B. It will be sine A plus B 110 degree plus sine A minus B sine 30 degree, dear students, minus 1 upon 2 sine 70. Any doubt till there? Then let's have a discussion. Now you will have 1 upon 4 sine 110 degree plus 1 upon 4 sine 30 degree minus 1 upon 4 sine 70 degree, right? So this sine 110 degree can be written as 180 minus 70. Hello everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So Dia, do you remember that second quadrant sign is positive? So this is positive, this is negative. They are cancelled.
Yes,
So I will
ma'am.
get it 1 upon 4 sine 30. And what's the value of sine 30? 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. Answer will be 1 upon 8. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritu clear? Ritik clear? Pujitha clear?
Ma'am, could you please explain the first two lines?
Okay. So dear, whenever I found this formula, question that there is sine 10, sine 50, sine 70, or either it can be sine 20, sine 40, sine 80. So I just need to once see, do I know anyone's value? If I know, I will first put that value. Clear? Then if there will be 15 degree, 75 degree, then I know the way by using compound angles. Then I can solve. But 10 degree, 50 degree, there is no chance. Then I need to go for multiplication to addition or subtraction. That means transformation formulas I need to apply. So what I have do, I just multiply by 2, divide by 2. So then I look 2 sine A sine B. Then I remember that transformation formula. See, 2 sine A sine B. It will be cos A minus B cos A plus B. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So we just applied that. Same again we applied same formula. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt till there? Gurmannath? So now I have PYQs. See, I'm just having the same time bound for you. I will give you 2 minutes. Just give your answer in the chat box. If anyone, I will just see to whom you need to discuss. See, very first question from the IIT 2001. Can you answer? Don't forget to mark your attendance. How you will solve this question? Be quick, don't waste your time. Do I know anyone's value 20, 100, 140? Okay, Ronak already gave the answer. Anyone else? Okay, many answers are there. Ronak, Jay, Ritika, Piasa, Hani. Wow, great. So, Ritik, can you explain? Hey, Ritik, can you explain?
Yes,
Little
ma'am.
information, yes.
2 cos 20 plus cos 150 bracket plus cos 90 plus 10 degree bracket.
Okay. So it means Ritik said he just applied transformation formula, right, Ritik? That is from plus to
Yes, ma'am.
multiply. So firstly apply on any two of the ways, then rest. Clear, everyone? Answer is option D. Can we move ahead? If anyone having any doubt, then let me know. Clear to everyone? Great. Then next question. Sine theta plus 2a, then n tan theta plus a. So friends, just look at the options. I tell you one thing. Whenever found there is one plus a, one minus b, same things are added or subtracted, numerated. Then what method you need to apply? Take 2 minutes to solve this question. Just let me know the approach for this question.
Ma'am, in the options, is it 10A or 10 alpha?
10 alpha. Actually, it's also alpha. Yes, Devayut, it's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Avini, done? Can you share your approach? Who has solved? Dia,
Ma'am,
what's
still
up?
solving.
Okay, Dia, what's the approach you are applying?
Comparendo dividendo
Oh,
rule.
wow, great, Jay. Anyone else is applying componendo and dividendo? Okay, Devayut is applying. Harini is applying. So, dear friends, your approach is great. That's wonderful. I'm just leaving this question for you guys to complete it, and we will discuss its answer in next class. What do you say? Agree? Great. So, a very important thing, there are two trigonometric series. You can see they are in sine, but their angles are in AP. See, can you see? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So just note down the formula. They are equals to sine nd by 2 sine d by 2 into sine a plus n minus 1 d by 2. Noted? In the same way, same formula for the cos. Only sine and sine remain. Only one cos will be replaced with sine. Noted? Take the screenshot. I will share the notes just after the class. Noted? They are the special series. Avni, what do you want to say? Noted or not? So just look at this. When you're having cos 2 pi by 7, 4 pi by 7, 6 pi by 7, they are in cos and their angles are in AP, right or not? So what was the formula? Formula was sine nd by 2. What is n? How many terms are there? 3. What's the difference? 4 pi by 7 minus 2 pi by 7. Difference is 2 pi by 7, dear bachcho.
Ma'am,
So sine nd by 2, n into d, it means 3 pi by 7 divided by sine d by 2. So it's going to be pi by 7 into cos a plus a is 2 pi by 7 plus you're having n minus 1 yani ki 2 3 minus 1 2 into d by 2. So d is 2 pi by 7 by 2. So it's going to be this. Clear?
Minus 1 by 2.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide?
Yeah, sure.
The before one.
This one only?
Ma'am, the one with the question of tan theta plus alpha. Ma'am,
This
the
one?
answer is C.
Okay, great. That's great. Wonderful. So, dear students, answer is C. Just solve at your part and check will you get the answer C. That's great. So, this is the same question. But see, are they in AP? Can you see? No, not at all, right? They are not in AP. It means their angles are in GP, but we need to work on that. We are not solving this question because you have done the sequence when you are having an AP. Clear? So this question we will put it as pending. Clear? So there are some questions for your homework that you need to complete. And if having any query, any doubt, we will discuss in Harini, when we will discuss?
Next class.
Oh, great. So these are the some homework questions for you guys. So can anyone summarize the whole lecture? What we have, what was the concept for today?
Compounds and transformation of.
Okay. So have you tried to implement these formulas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if everyone knows that, can anyone answer this question? Only let me the concept and tell me which formula we will need to implement on this. Just be quick. Arey, wow, wow, Mr. J. Hats off to you. So anyone tell me formula? I'm just expecting from you. Devayut.
Ma'am, the formula is sine of n d by 2 by sine of d by 2 into
Okay.
sine of a plus, up to the angle we have taken, sine of 6 pi by 7.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. Great. So, dear friend, this was the whole lecture. In the next session, what we will do the multiple angle and triple angle formulas, right? So, every day, if you keep on doing your homeworks complete with 2 to 3 PYQs, definitely you will get the success. What do you say? Agree? And don't forget to fill your attendance form. Just be quick and fill your attendance form, right? So I'm just stop the recording. Thank you, everyone. And from next time, be join on time, right?
Thank you.